jellyfish adventure. What's this floating around? It's wiggly, fluttery, and full of personality. Wow. It's see-through too. Hey, that tickles. Oh. Who are you? I'm a zero jellyfish. A zero jellyfish. Yeah. I'm a jellyfish made from a bag. A jellyfish from a bag? Really? Yes. We are going to make one together. Let's get started. Here are the materials we need. Scissors, tape, colored pens, origami paper, circle stickers, and a plastic bag. Let's make our jellyfish. First, place the bag with the opening facing downward. Now let's make the eyes using circle stickers. Where should the eyes go? Maybe up here, or down there? I'll put mine right here. Next, let's draw inside the eyes. If you have an oil-based marker, you can use it carefully. Today, I'll use colored pens. What color should we choose? Everyone, pick your favorite color. I'll choose purple. I made one eye wink. Now let's make the mouth. I cut a sticker in half to make a smiling mouth. Where should it go? Here. Or maybe over there. Let's stick it right here. Now the face is complete. Next, let's decorate our jellyfish with origami paper. Use scissors to cut the paper into long, thin strips. Wow! They look like colorful noodles. When you finish using scissors, remember to put them away safely. Now let's use tape. Pull out the amount you need, press it against the jagged edge, and pull carefully. Great job! Stick one side of the tape onto the origami strip. Then stick the other side onto the jellyfish bag. Keep adding lots of colorful tentacles. Don't forget the tail too. If you have markers, you can draw more designs on the bag. You can also decorate it with stickers. Make it as colorful as you want. Finally, attach a string to the top so your jellyfish can dangle and float. And your zero jellyfish is complete. What kind of jellyfish will everyone make? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and creative adventures.